This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set your TikTok account public. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you need to do is go down to the lower right hand corner to where you see it says Profile and click on your profile icon. Then you want to go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner and select that. Then you will go down to where it says Privacy and select that. And then right in here is where you set your account to be private or public. As you see on mine, mine is set to a private account. To set it to a public account, you just toggle this off. And then it'll ask you, do you want to change it to a public account? You click on Confirm. And now it has been set to, my TikTok account has been set to a public account.